Hello, and welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. My name is Kumari, and I'll be your guide today. This Yoga Nidra is short and sweet, meant to bring you into a deep state of rest in a really short amount of time, perfect for those occasions when you only have 15 minutes, but you still know how beneficial slowing down, breathing, and resting will be. Find yourself in a comfortable position and close your eyes. And just start to become aware of your breathing. And take a deep breath in with me now. And softly sigh it out. Let's do 2 more. Inhaling. Already starting to feel how the body and the mind are responding to this stillness, to this intention for rest. Can you feel a sense of heaviness in your arms and your legs? Feel your head supported, your whole body receptive. We'll do 3 rounds of the box breath. This is breathing into a count of 4, holding the breath for 4, exhaling for 4, and then holding out the breath for another 4. We'll do each round in succession. Ready? Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathing naturally. Feeling the effects of the body's stillness. Repeating this intention 3 times, I allow myself to rest deeply. Now we'll journey around the body and you'll place your attention on each area I mention. We'll begin at the tongue, sensing and feeling the surface of the tongue, and the roof of the mouth, the gums and the teeth. Feeling of the inside of the mouth alive with subtle sensations. Aware of the lips, the nostrils, the eyes, ears, and the point between the eyebrows, the whole forehead. Aware now of the whole face and the whole scalp to the base of the neck, the right shoulder, left shoulder, right elbow, left elbow, right wrist, left wrist, the whole right hand, all 5 fingers in the palm, and the left hand, all 5 fingers in the palm. A sense now of both hands and both arms and hands. A sense now of the chest, the abdomen, the right hip, left hip, right knee, left knee, right ankle, left ankle, the whole right foot, all 5 toes and the sole of the foot. And now the left foot, all 5 toes and the sole of the foot. Both feet together now. Both legs and feet as one. Aware now of the buttocks, the hips, and the spine, from the base all the way up to the head. A sense of the whole backside of the body. And now a sense of the whole front side of the body. The whole head. Aware of the entire body. Trillions of cells subtly vibrating. Alive. The whole body. And now a sense of the breath flowing within this sacred body. And you come back to sensing the breath. Feeling the breath at the nostrils. Now imagining you could breathe in and out of the center of the chest. Inhaling and exhaling energetically through the center of the chest. And shift attention to the navel. Feeling how the body subtly moves with each breath. And just imagining breathing in and out through the navel. And now start to imagine the breath flowing up to the top of the head and down through the body to the toes, up through the toes, the legs, the body, all the way to the head, and then exhaling the breath down the body again. washing the breath up and down the body. Just imagining this however you do, there's no wrong way. Breathing the breath up and down the body. And now can you begin to imagine your breath as white, sparkly light? A crystalline light moving up and down the body. Seeing your body as a vessel of light. Allowing the focus on the breath to dissolve now. Sensing and feeling the body filled with light. Deeply resting. Body floating. Recharging. Energy balanced and vibrating. Simply resting here. Deep, deep peace. Can you come back to your breath now? Begin to welcome some deeper breath. A sense of the whole body expanding with each inhale. Welcoming gentle movement of the hands, of the feet. You might nod the head from side to side. And as you feel ready, stretching the arms up overhead and lengthening through the legs and the toes. Coming back to the awareness now of this time and space. Opening your eyes as you're ready. Moving on with your next segment, feeling this peaceful energy of deep rest. Thank you for being here. I hope this little meditation has nourished and revived you. Wishing you all the best. Namaste.